Assalamu alaikum class 4. This is your computers teacher with week number 7 and the topic of discussion will be document views today, okay? And you can find it on the textbook pages 19 till 20. Okay, so what actually are document views and why do we use them? Sometimes the document that you create is not for printing. You may want to share it on the internet or just create a long list of ideas. So, to work more effectively, you can view your document in different ways, like print layout or a web layout. So, this is uh, this is the purpose of using the document views. Let's see the slides today. So, what actually is a document view? The way a document is displayed in MS Word is called a view. Okay, for example, this is called the view. The way in which a particular document is displayed is called as a view. Okay, a document view. Each view of the document displays specific details of the document. As you can see on the right side, here is a picture and it shows the different layouts, different document views. The first one is print layout, the second one is full screen reading, third one is web layout, fourth is outline, and the last one is draft. Every particular mode deals with the specific details of a document, okay? And while changing to a different view does not affect the contents of the document. For example, if you are working on a print layout and you want to switch to full screen reading mode, the contents will remain same. It does not affect the document, okay? Just so you can like experiment by switching to every document view, okay? So let's see what are the different views. I have already told you that document views are five. Number one is print layout, number second is full screen reading mode, and number third is web layout, fourth is outline, and the last one is draft. Okay, so what is print layout? View the document as it will appear on a printed page. For example, if you are going to like you are done with working on a document and you are going to print it, so that particular that particular layout is known as a print layout. For example, this is known as a print layout. See, into the view tab, you can preview it by going into the view tab and see I have selected the print layout. So this is known as a print layout, okay? It displays all the formatting, columns, header, footers, etc. It means that if you have applied so many fascinating things to your document, they will all be displayed over it on particular document and they will be printed as it is, okay? Nothing will be like removed from that particular view. And it takes more memory. Why does it take more memory? Because you have applied so many things to it. You have applied colors, shadings, headers and footers, columns, so that all things makes that particular page much heavier, okay? So it takes a lot of memory. This is the print layout, okay? I can show you from here as well. This is the print layout, okay? Next is full screen reading. View the document in full screen reading view in order to maximize the space available for reading or commenting on a document. It means that, for example, you have downloaded a particular book from the internet and you are going to read it on your PC or a tablet. You are going to view it in full screen reading mode. For example, to view like the maximum of the space will be available, and to view more pages in a single go, you will be able to see it in full screen reading mode. This is the full screen reading mode. See, screen 2 of 25. It means that this particular document is having 25 pages and we are previewing only second page over here, okay? Next is web layout. View the document as it would look as a web page. For example, you are surfing something on the internet, so that particular page layout is known as a web layout. So if you are going to preview your document in a web layout, it means that it would look like you are previewing some web page. All pages are displayed as one page. In this view, the user can see the backgrounds. This is the web page layout, okay? This is the web page layout. Next one is Outline view. View the document as an outline and show the outlining tools. It does not display the boundaries, headers, footers, etc. It can be used to move, copy, and reorganize the text by dragging headings. For example, this is the outline view. In the first thing over here, you can see that they have displayed the objectives. You are going to see the whole document as a one document, and from here you can do all the kind of editing. Okay, for example, if you are not willing to display this thing over here, you can move it, or you can just reorganize it again and again. Okay, next one is draft view. View the document as a draft to quickly edit the text. Certain elements of documents such as headers and footers will not be visible in this view. See, the document that was having all of the formatting tools was print layout, and draft view is something in which nothing is visible. The process of typing in this mode is quicker and easier. The normal view takes less memory because it is not having any kind of formatting in it, so it is having nothing in it, so it takes less memory. Okay, so this was all about the document views. And one more thing we are going to talk about is the zooming in and zooming out. As you can see on the right corner, over here on the right corner, as you can see a slide over here, this is the sign of minus. It means that zooming out, and this is plus. What does it mean? Zooming in. For example, I'm going to click over it, and you have to see the preview on this page. Okay, right now I'm previewing 80% of the document. If I click on if I keep on pressing the plus button, it will go on zooming. See, and if I press this button, zooming out, see, you are able to see the smaller view. And if I keep on pressing the zooming in button, you are going to see it in zoom in view. Okay, so this is known as zooming in and zooming out. Like the way you do, you use your fingers in your mobiles to view the particular document, to view a particular thing by dragging it. Okay, so these are known as zooming in and zooming out. Okay, so this was all about the topic today, the document views and zooming in and zooming out. You have to practice it on your own, and you have to tell me then that whether you get the lesson or not. Okay, thank you.